Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about interfaces in Java. In our previous classes, we clearly discussed about abstract classes. Please watch the classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, an interface is a fully abstract class and it contains abstract methods and static constants. So with example, we are going to understand it better. Let's take an example. As we define classes, the same way we are going to define interfaces. Interface A. Instead of class A, we are defining it as interface A. This interface should contain static constants or abstract methods. See here, we defined a variable int p is equal to 20. Even though we defined it as int p is equal to 20, it is automatically, the compiler is going to convert this int p is equal to 20 into public static final. Means before this variable, it is going to add public static final, because interfaces should contain only static constants. Remaining variables are not allowed in interfaces. And it should contain only abstract methods, void m1 of. Automatically compiler is going to place public abstract before that void m1 of. It is an abstract method. So it contains only abstract methods. We can inherit this interface. How we are going to inherit this interface? Same as class B using the word implements A. By using the implements keyword, we are going to take the properties of that inheritance interface. So the keyword which we are going to use here for interfaces is implements. So class B implements A. Because this class contains abstract method M1, definitely B should implement the body of the M1. Means it has to define the method M1. System.out.println of M1 method implemented in B, class B. So this is the statement which we have written. Now we can directly use this class B. We can create an object for that. B ob is equal to new B of. ob.m1 is m1 of. We can directly call the method. So this is the basic concept you need to understand about interfaces. So interface contains only static constants or abstract methods. Now coming to the next step by step, we will understand what we can do using interfaces. Interface can have static methods also. Okay, and the point you need to understand, interfaces, you cannot create a object for interface. It is not a class. Because this interface contains abstract methods, we cannot create object for that. Hope you understand, because you already have some basic knowledge about abstract classes, abstract classes and methods which we discussed in our previous class. So that is the reason interface cannot be instantiated. Means you cannot create object for that. But you can write static methods in interfaces. So public static void static method of. The method name is static method of. As we know from our previous classes, static methods are allocated memory during the compile time. Whenever this program is loading, this class is loading, then it is going to be allocated. The space is allocated. And we can access the static methods using the class name. Similarly, in this example, interface created a static method, public static void static method of. We can use this method because it is not at all dependent on any of them, because memory is allocated during the compile time. Using a.static method of. Using the class name, we can call the static methods. A is the here interface name. Yes, it is accepted, it works. Similarly, and you can write anywhere, you can access the static method from anywhere. A.static method of. You can write here. Yes, you can access it. So this is the point you need to understand. In interfaces, we can define static methods. Similarly, the next concept you need to understand, inheritance for interfaces. Yes, the concept of inheritance applies to interfaces. Interface A. Int p is equal to 20, void m1 of. This is an abstract method. This is a static constant. Yes, this interface can be inherited. Interface B extends A. Yes, void M2 of. Now class C implements B. Whenever this class C is implementing B, means it is going to take the properties of B. Now class C has to define two methods, because two abstract methods available here. One is from M2 from here, one is from above. So class C should definitely have to implement M1 method and M2 method. Now class C can be used as it is from our previous classes. We can create objects for class C and we can use any of the methods that we defined in that class C, and not only that implemented from the above interfaces M1 and M2. So these are the basic things which we need to understand about interfaces. From Java 9 onwards, they are using private and static. So they provided default and private methods, which we are going to discuss in our next class. What's the use of default methods and how we have to use private methods. Hope you understand the concept of interface. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.